It's been 22 years since Honda last built a Prelude, and it's not getting rid of combustion yet. Honda only has one sporty car in its lineup, with the current Civic Type R, but that's all due to change, as the brand has revealed a sporty two-door coupe concept at the Japan Mobility Show. And get this, it's bringing back the Honda Prelude nameplate. Among a slew of electric concepts across varying mobility platforms, Honda unveiled the Prelude Concept to reaffirm its commitment to driving joy, even in a world of electrified propulsion. Honda President Toshihiro Mide made the surprise reveal at the very end of the Honda press conference that was mostly dedicated to Honda mobility. But as he said, "We know our customers are expecting one more thing from Honda, and that is sports models." It's been 22 years since the Prelude was last produced, with the fifth generation spanning a 5-year production run from 1996 to 2001. That included the iconic Prelude Type S in Japan and the North American Prelude Type SH. Power then came from a 2.2-liter inline-4, with as much as 200 horsepower, motivating the front axle via 5-speed manual transmission. This version looks like a great way to revive the sports coupe for Honda. And although our hopes were high that this would be an S200 revival, we're not upset with the Prelude making a comeback either. Its compact proportions and sleek design seem to place it in the same realm as the Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ. And while this static concept has no visible interior, the proportions suggest it may have a second row of seats, just like those sports cars. Whether it matches their RWD layout remains to be seen. Sadly, not many details were revealed, but Mide did hint that this is heading to production. At the automobile electrification business briefing we held last year, I talked about future sports models. Today, to conclude my presentation, I would like to show you one of them, the Specialty Sports Mo. While we previously thought this was an electric concept, Honda representatives have confirmed that the Prelude concept is hybrid electric, not full BEV. In an ideal world, we'd love to see a Type R with the same powertrain as the Civic Type R. But a base model may inherit the hybrid powertrain from the new Civic Hybrid. But Mide assured onlookers at the show that the focus of the car, whatever its powertrain, will be on the joy of driving. He also said Honda was developing its EV systems rapidly, and urged everyone to please keep your expectations high for this model. We expect a production version to be revealed by the end of 2024.